Hello, sir. What are you doing?
Oh, hello there. I didn't see you there in all of your gorgeous beauty and radiance, but welcome to the park that Eileen found. It's called what?
Pines Park?
Pines Park. And it's just overlooking Dana Point Harbor. It's beautiful. Last time we did this, we did our little walking tour of the little trails, but this is just a nice little park. It's got a little bit of art, it's got a little bit of everything, but it's about a beautiful breeze, 70 something. I mean, it doesn't get better than this. This is just amazing.
This park is definitely a hidden little gem. We keep finding hidden gems in Dana Point. So in case I haven't mentioned, I'd like to retire here, but look how beautiful that is. Where else could you just go to the park to have a picnic and have such a beautiful view?
Hey everybody, it's Frank
And Lean.
and today we're going to be doing a simulation of what it was like back in the rancho days of Southern California. We're going to take the little trail in Dana Point that leads down to, I guess, I'm not sure. I'll show you guys. Here's where we're going to go. But anyways, so in the olden days, the thing behind us right here, the beautiful harbor and everything with the breakwater, that was not there. That was just, I guess this was a cliff. So what they would do is they would bring, because of the ranching, right? They would bring like whatever it was they were going to send to the ships, and cowhides, and they would throw it off of the cliff, and then the ships down there, I guess they would, hopefully they had good aim, but anyways, they would
Well, they would drop it down to the beach, it says, not to the ship. They drop it down to the beach, and the sailors were on the beach, and so they would just pick it up and then take it to their ships.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
So this trail is supposed to simulate what the area was like. So we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna find out. So come along. I forgot to say, oh, hello. I didn't see you. Let me get closer so you can read. All right, come on,
Why
guys.
did you say that word? Droger?
Drogger?
The high drogger. New England sailors of the 1900s tossed locally raised cowhides from these cliffs to be traded for finished good carried by their ships. Interesting.
Okay, there we go. And action. Okay, so we're starting down the trail of what it was like. So, you said, what did they do? Cowhides or something? Probably for leather, obviously. So we're going down this little trail right here, and we'll do a forward-facing view.
Oh yeah, it's like there's palm trees down there and stuff. But it's kind of interesting. It's just like a ravine or something with palm trees in it. Do you see that?
No, what are you saying?
Oh, there's actually about the condo.
No, about the ravine.
Oh yeah, if you look down here, it's kind of interesting. It's kind of a ravine, but there's actually palm trees.
Oh, maybe it's for, I don't know, curiouser and curiouser. So
Yeah, it's pretty. I love it.
Oh, there's more?
I see what it is. Okay,
Oh.
got it. That's interesting. I was wondering why they would do a wooden bridge like that.
Remember when we were over in Germany, we went to that Neuschwanstein thing and they had
Yeah.
Mary's Bridge?
Oh, and Katie was so scared. Oh no, that's how they get you.
What's that one?
The private property.
Okay, so we can't go there, but...
Does it look like it was something
Yeah.
like a dam or something?
Well, it's not quite like it, but it reminds me of an old Roman water aqueduct. How they used to...
Look, it says Dana Dana Point Inn, 1930. These arches were part of S.H. Woodruff's resort hotel, the Dana Point Inn. The stock market crash and the Great Depression halted construction, ending his dream. Part of the foundation, the hand-poured concrete arches remain as a local landmark. Remnants of a 1920s rock path are visible from the bridge crossing the canyon.
This is so cool.
That's unfortunate that it didn't.
Yeah. Darn the depression, or what was it the cause of the stock market crash? But these are the arches. I was telling Eileen, it looks like an old Roman aqueduct to me, but
Yeah.
that is so cool.
That would have been a really beautiful location for a hotel. Huh.
All right, back on the path.
Well, and if that was the beach down there, right? You would just take stairs down
Yeah,
over.
exactly.
That is so fascinating.
There used to be something here called Princess Point, and it was, I think, where the marina is or something, and they just dynamited it. I've heard or read somewhere, but
Huh. Princess Point. And what was it, Princess Point?
it was just something like overlooking, kind of like the one over there that we're going to next on the trail. But they said it's not here anymore. Okay, back to our journey here. Ready? Oh, that was it?
Is this the Blue Lantern? No, it's not.
No. Huh?
This is interesting.
This is just keep going over there.
No, I think it's just like a lookout spot. This is beautiful.
Okay, everybody, it's a very short trail. It's called the Dana Bluff Trail. Anything to add to it, or?
No, but we keep finding gems in Dana Point. We hope to retire here someday, so it's pretty awesome.
And that's what we did on our Labor Day. Bye.